So I'm going to teach you that how you can install a WordPress in your site. Okay, so here is the software. You have to click on this app installer. When you click on this app installer, let me show you. This will be over here. As you can see, here is the WordPress over here. You have to click on install. All right, there's a lot of softwares you can go with. All right, so first of all, when you are here, as you can see, this is the page over here. You have to do nothing, just do one thing. You have to just remove this VP. All right, and you have to select your site name. Any kind of name you want, you can just add. All right, so the site description you can add. You can add your site description and your site name after installing, but I am doing it before because it's good for your site that is basically looking good. I am a web developer, any kind of okay. All right, so the admin and username, as you can see, here is the username. Any kind of username you want, you can add, or you can just leave it randomly. Okay, so admin password. Okay, so here is a password. Let me show you guys. A lot of people are facing this trouble that while they don't have the strong password. So for that, I have the website called passwordgenerator.net. Once you are here, as you can see, the secure password generator. You can generate a strong password that helps you to install WordPress or any kind of other platform or any kind of other software. So you can install this. You can generate your password here and install WordPress. So I have my own strong password. Let me add that one. Okay, here is that. And here we are. If you just scroll down, you have the select your language. So we have the language as well. So you can also just do it randomly, just pick it randomly, or you can also choose another languages. So this is randomly English. It's all right. And then you have to add your email address. So let me copy my email address from here and let me add here. Okay, here we are. Now click on install. When you click on install, this is checking the submitted data. This is installing WordPress in our site. Now as you can see over here, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. As you can see, here is our site link. Let me show you guys. Let's see. Boom. So as you can see, our site is live now. This is our site description, this is our title, and as you can see, this is our website link, mysas.cf. We have registered this domain. You can just register any kind of domain you want. As I told you, in Freenom you can just buy any kind of domain name you want. All right, so as you can see, our site is live. So in next lecture, I'll be teaching you guys how you can install your great theme for your guys. So now in this lecture, I'm going to teach you about WordPress Dashboard, and I'm going to teach you some of the things on WordPress. All right, so this is going to be a great lecture for you guys. This is going to be bonus video for you guys that you are learning. And this course was all about hosting and free domain, but now this is bonus for you that you can learn these things as well. All right. So as you can see, this is a dashboard, as you can see. Now let me tell you another more important thing, plugins. All right, so you have to install plugins. So add new. Let me tell you the two main biggest and the popular WordPress themes. Number one is, maybe it's here, no, it's not here, Yoast SEO. So let me search it for you guys. When you just search Yoast SEO, maybe it is here. So that's one. Well, this one is very cool. So you can also search in Google Yoast SEO. Let me Google it, guys. So let's wait for this. Okay, Yoast SEO. So just copy this because the syntax mistake was coming. All right, so here is it. Let me search it here. When you search it, okay, you will find the plugin. This is one of the cool plugin ever. All right, so as you can see, the downloads 1 million active installs, okay, in WordPress. So you have to install it. Just click on install now. This helps you to do your website SEO. This is one of the cool. This is going to be bonus for you guys. All right, so you have to just click on install. My internet connection is a little bit slow, that's why it's taking too much time. That's why if your connection is very powerful, you will get installed in just a second. All right, don't worry about that, no worries at all. All right, so you can install it. All right, so another one is this will be installed. So another one is view count. All right, this is one of the cool, because a lot of people don't know about their website, how many people are looking to their websites, and they can customize, analyze their website. So I have this cool plugin for you guys, 80,000 active installs. This is one of the cool. All right, so as you can see, post view counter, you can also install this one as well. Anybody is just coming to your site, anybody, you will notified that this person watched your website. All right, this is one of the cool, because you want to analyze your website, at how many people, how many visitors are coming, and from where they are coming. This one is very nice. Okay, so the Yoast SEO, you have also Yoast SEO. So these two plugins are recommended by me. All right, okay. And another bonus tip for you guys is that when you are submitting or uploading your post, you have Yoast SEO downstairs, or down, sorry. Okay, and another thing is categories. You can also add your category, and the most important thing is your tags. If you just add tags, I must recommend you guys to add 10 tags, not more that. All right, just 10 tags. Okay, and the links, everything else here is, as you can see, the post view, it'll show you the post views. That's going to be a great thing for you guys. All right, another tip is for you guys here, go to settings and go to journal. When you just go to journal, let me show you guys. Okay, here's your site. If you want to change your description, you can also change your description over here, and your website URL over here. And as you can see, all the time and all the things are, you can also change those things. And this is one of the cool thing, permalink. Okay, and as you can see, you have to select here. This is going to be a plain, as you can see, and this and this. So this is not good for your blog or your site, because when you are when you publish your post, this will show the date. So this is not good for your SEO, in purpose of SEO. And if you know this thing, so that's good. If you don't know, so don't do this. Okay, so you have to just select this post name. Whenever you are just publishing any kind of post, the post name will be in your link. All right, so that's going to be great experience for you guys, and in front of Google SEO, your site will be ranked. All right, this is going to be good for you guys. All right, guys, so as you can see, the media, you can also add the media, and the pages. Most important thing is pages. All right, so you can also add the pages, contact us, privacy and policy, other pages as well, contact us, and more than pages you can create. All right, so you can also create the category pages as well. That helps your site to rank better. So these are some of my some of my cool tips for you guys that you can do. So there is a lot of plugins as well. You can install a lot of plugins. Another thing is that your themes. All right, so there are a lot of themes are available in market. You can also download those. So the free and responsive WordPress themes are also available in market. All right, so you can Google it. Now, what is responsible? When you just click on, let me show you guys. Now this is our site. All right, when you just click on this, as you can see, here is our site. Now this is responsible when people are watching our site, when people are opening our site in mobile, it must be look mobile friendly. Okay guys, so now this is mobile friendly. Whenever people are looking at our site from a mobile, our site will be mobile friendly. All our buttons, all our pictures will be shown in mobile, very friendly. Okay guys, so that's gonna be good for you, that you can select a mobile friendly and responsive WordPress theme that will help you your viewers and SEO purpose as well. So you can also download the WordPress themes from this site as well. There are a lot of sites that are available in market. I'm saying that you can do download from here. There are a lot of sites available on market that you can download cool themes. All right guys, so that's all from this video. I hope you guys understood that how we can do the same all the things. Okay guys.